Now, hello students. Today we are continuing with the same chapter of civics for class 7, lesson number 22. How do state government work? Today we are going to discuss about the state legislature. When we talk about state legislature, it makes laws for day-to-day governance or working of the government and make policies and programs for the citizens of that state. Now, state legislature can have one or two houses. Now, when they have only one house, that is only legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha, it is called unicameral, and most of the states have unicameral legislature, that is they have only legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha. When a state have both legislative assembly plus legislative council, or we can say both Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, it is called bicameral legislature. Now those states which have both houses, legislative assembly plus legislative council, these are UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, etc. These are the states, those have two houses, both legislative assembly and legislative council. Now those states which have only one house, that is legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha, one and the same thing, is called unicameral, and most of the state have unicameral legislature. Now those states who have more than one house, that is both houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, is called bicameral. These are UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. These are the states, those have both houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Now what is Vidhan Sabha? The members of the Vidhan Sabha are directly elected by the people, and these members are known as MLAs. Now who are the members of the Vidhan Sabha? First, they are elected directly by the people, and after winning election they are known as MLAs or member of Legislative Assembly. The full form of MLA is member of Legislative Assembly. Now next, the number of seats of the Vidhan Sabha cannot be more than 500 or less than 60. Again, the number of members should not be more than 500 or less than 60 of the Vidhan Sabha. Now, if there is less number, then one member of Anglo-Indian community is added in Vidhan Sabha. Now what is the term या tenure? They are elected for the 5 years, but their tenure can be cut or extend by the governor. उनका जो tenure है 5 year tenure है जो विधान सभा का, वो कम भी हो सकता है और ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. किस पे डिपेंड करता है? गवर्नर पे. अगर गवर्नमेंट ढंग से वर्क नहीं कर रही है तो उनका टेन्योर कम भी हो सकता है और उसे बढ़ा भी सकते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ स्टेट इमरजेंसी. Now sessions, they meet at least twice a year. जो members होते हैं विधान सभा के, they meet twice, साल में 2 बार meet करते हैं या sessions call करते हैं. The intervals between the two session cannot be more than 6 months. जो मीटिंग का है, जो twice मिलते हैं, साल में 2 बार मिलते हैं, उनके जो बीच का गैप है वो 6 months से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. 1/10 members should be present for the session. जो total members हैं उसमें से 1/10 members should be present during the session. उसे बोला जाता है quorum.